Patriot Contraptions welcomes the LD Man to its new home on this channel.
Hey guys, the LD Man here, and today I'm quickly going over what you should do after a tournament. Particularly, we're looking at case list writing. Now, in a traditional case list, you'll notice a couple of things. For example, if you look at this list, you can see that on top there's the name, and you've obviously got your value, your criteria, and your contentions below it. This, however, does not give you a whole lot of information to go off of in the future. So how do we improve on this? Well, let's move over and take a look at my case list. So here we go. As you can see, there's already a lot more information on this list. First off, up at the top, I have my opponent's strengths and weaknesses. Now, where did I get those strengths and weaknesses? Obviously, he didn't tell me that. That comes from a couple added steps in writing a case list. And those fall under the value, criteria, and contentions. As you can see, I've got extra things written down. Under love, you can see that he used a quote by Cupid. Now, when he used that quote, I made a note of it so that I knew that he was using that under there. Now, also under his criteria of happiness, he used an example of Hercules, and so on. You can read them for yourselves. However, when I went through and analyzed his case after the round, I realized that he's only using examples related to Greek. I mean, even his examples for whales living in the ocean are from the Odysseus voyage. So, obviously my opponent has a thing for Greece. So I'm going to go and I'm putting that up there as one of my opponent's strengths. And the reason for this is, if I ever hit him in the future, I don't want to be using Greek examples. Now, what do I have for his weaknesses? Modern examples. None of the examples he uses in his case are modern. So that's one of his weaknesses, and that's where I'm going to try to hit him. So, get this out of the way. What am I doing here? When I write my case list, I take the extra time to add in those little details under each point. That allows me to know my opponent, and thus, in the future, defeat them. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and as always, good luck at the tournament. The LD Man, until next Friday, signing out.